V6 pan the toll, 12 gas. V6 pan the toll and it can't stop. Oh my job won't feel tired so you can't speak. I fuck you because you want fuck artists.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. We no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so today we want to talk about Malie Donn and AI Millie. More importantly, dissect if Malie Donn thief AI Millie lyrics and flow for his hit song V6. So we're gonna also review Malie Donn's song because the song is a well put together song and the song is a hit song. You see me? So AI Millie released his song couple months ago.
V6 pan the toll, 12 gas.
And that was my first time hearing and listening to the artist. And me I say, yo, me I pray to myself and me I say, yo, you know, so that artist a bad dude with a unique flow and style with no other artist in dancehall have. So Malie Donn now released his song V6 about a month ago.
V6 pan the toll and it can't stop.
With the same flow and style and lyrics of AI Millie. So go listen to AI Millie Bronx and then let me know if me right or me right. You see me? As me said, the song is a bad song, so stay tuned for the breakdown.
V6 pan the toll and it can't stop. I wear the weed back past that. As she tapping at the piece, girl starts now. She broke it cocky so me I forget a cast for.
V6 pan the toll and it can't stop. So the V6 engine rev out pan the highway like drag race. Nothing can stop it. You see me? Speed off. Have a Barbie and as she step in at the car she start snap. So she show her friends them which top man she a roll with and which top car she a driving. You see me? Later that same evening, mama broke off the wood and we have to get it set back. You see me? Yeah, she broke it off and we have to get it set back because we have to put in a pasta polish right now. Chopper phone dead. I have to charge it up and draw down a skull. You know that thing they go already.
Bust in her face, so call my mascara. Bang, we swap hotter than sauna. Me and me every beats and a little touch of Zara. She call my teacher like my last name a Palmer.
She want a starman, so I bust off in her face. Call it mascara. She rub it on like face cream, but it cover her face like makeup mascara. You see me? We drip hotter than sauna. Girl them know that and the girl them love it. You see me? What she call me? She call me teacher like my last name and Palmer. VybzKartel the teacher and Malie Donn the girl them Professor Nuts. You see? You see me? So you know, so she must learn. When she come for the extra lesson and the private class, she must learn. Dunks gal must learn. You see me? Yeah, them have to know how to use them head properly. You see me? Them have to know how to deal with the head properly. You know what I mean?
You can want if the job won't tired, girl suck you and stop. Oh my job won't feel tired so you can't speak. I fuck you because you want fuck artists.
In a US with me 30K watch ice out. So the dog I say, yo, him the here in the US with him bust down wrist freeze off. She clean the rifle. If your jawbone tired, girl continue and then stop. Mama, your jawbone feel tired, so so she can't continue. She can't speak. You see me? She can't speak. Jawbone exhausted, man. Cause you know that the rifle well up in her mouth and touch the hands and everything and tired out her mouth. You see me? Yeah, man, of them thing they for reach a man. You say you want there with artists, or you say you want artists. You see me? So you know them thing I come with. Them thing I come with getting artists. So your badness come down. If you make it to the end of this video, check out my other video. Them me know I go like it. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the subscribe. Thanks for the views. Thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.